Look around you. The world is a whirlwind of demands, notifications, obligations, and noise. It pulls your attention in 1,000 different directions until you are left feeling like a fragment of yourself, scattered and drained. You pour your energy into curating a life for others to see, into meeting expectations that were never your own, into solving problems that are not yours to solve. And in the quiet moments, a question whispers, "Where are you in all of this?" The answer, the ancient Stoics realized, is that you have been neglected. The most important project you will ever work on, yourself, has been left unfinished. But this is not a cause for despair. It is a call to arms. Today, we begin the most vital construction project of your life. We begin to rebuild you. Lesson 1. Become the architect of your inner world. You cannot control the storm that rages outside. The traffic jam, the critical comment, the unexpected setback, these are external events. But you have absolute authority over your inner citadel. Your judgments, your values, your reactions, this is your domain. When you wake up each morning, your first duty is not to check your phone, but to check your mind. Declare to yourself, "Today, I will be disturbed by nothing that is outside of my control. I will meet arrogance with patience, injustice with integrity, and chaos with calm." Your peace is not a prize to be won from the world, it is a fortress you build within. Let the winds howl, your foundation will not shake. Lesson 2. Embrace the grind of self-discipline. Rebuilding is not a single, glorious event. It is the quiet, daily work of laying one brick upon another. It is the choice to read a page of a book instead of scrolling endlessly. It is the decision to take that walk for your health, even when you don't feel like it. It is the strength to have the difficult conversation with honesty, rather than avoiding it for comfort. This discipline is not a punishment. It is the profound respect you finally show yourself. It is you telling your soul, "You are worth the effort." Every small act of discipline is a hammer strike, forging a stronger, more resilient you. Find your satisfaction not in easy pleasures, but in the pride of a day well lived, according to your own principles. Lesson 3. Find your anchor in the present moment. Anxiety is the interest paid on a disaster that has not yet happened. Regret is a prison for a past you cannot change. The Stoic sage understands that the only time that is truly, wholly yours is this very moment. The breath you are taking now. The task directly in front of you. The person you are with right now. Let your focus be here. When you find your mind spiraling into worry about tomorrow or shame about yesterday, gently but firmly guide it back. Ask yourself, what is within my power to do right now? The present moment is your workshop. It is the only place where real rebuilding can occur. Do not abandon it for imaginary futures or unchangeable pasts. Closing call to action. This is your path. To build an inner world so strong that no external chaos can destroy it. To embrace the sacred grind of self-mastery. To anchor yourself firmly in the now. The world will continue to spin. It will make its demands, and it will create its dramas. But you are no longer just a passenger, buffeted by every wave. You are the captain. You are the architect. You are the builder. So let the world be loud. Your focus is on you. Rebuild yourself. Not for the applause of others, but for the quiet, unshakable triumph of a soul that has come home to itself. The work begins today. The work begins now. Thank you for watching. Remember, the power to build the life you deserve has been within you all along. Now, go and use it.